dude.
Oh crap, that's a building!
Put your head up high enough so that you can get decapitated by the blades.
Oh, that actually might work because I have a ceiling fan.
Do you see that? Oh no.
The quarter person from a server I'm in,
Yoink.
people shouldn't be allowed to
Oh,
live in
beach.
France.
But what about the Eiffel Tower? That's pretty cool.
That's not in France, it's in America.
What?
Wait.
That's fair.
Lemon! You just teamed.
Hitting the
I said whoopsie.
He said whoopsie. It's okay, guys. I didn't mean to murder him, officer. I said whoopsie.
All I wanted to do is take down his helicopter, not send him home in a bucket.
Number 16, getting sent
Number-
home in a bucket. The last thing you want when you're not coming out of war is to be sent
Jesus
home
Christ,
in a bucket.
Oh, got him. Trick shotted him. Trick shot.
Nah, you. Go get him, Sheriff. You can do it.
No, I can't.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh!
He pilot sniped me.
He got.
Oh,
He did
that
it.
kill was clean. Oh crap! I just died. Hang on.
I'm a bunny.
What's America's hat, Afflixer? Who's America's hat?
Name an animal with four legs.
George Washington.
Name an animal.
George Washington? No, it's Canada. It's Canada. Canada's our hat.
George Washington.
Canada's our hat and Mexico are our legs.
Mexico's our hat.
Mexico's a singular leg.
No, Mexico's just Florida. Nobody wants
These
to
are
be there.
no Mexico's our
What?
boots because it's filled with drugs.
Also, Atomic, what do you think of the numbers on the front of my helicopter?
Penis.
I bet it says 6'9".
It does.
Yeah, I know. You're so basic, Afflixer.
Honestly.
I mean, you killed a family of 4, I killed a family of 10. You're a disappointment.
You had the great disappointment.
I like
with
how he's
family and
bragging about
motherland.
mass genocide.
I hated you. I ate my daughter.
What?
Since when do you have a daughter?
Since when did you eat people?
Adopted. Adopted daughter.
You can't adopt. You're not close to old enough.
Who cares about legalities? I care about...
What the